I tried to get trendy in my bathroom and it's going all wrong. I tried to do the wood trend and it looks like this. Then I tried to do the waterfall edge vanity and it looks like this. And then I decided to warm up my fixtures and go warmer versus colder, and it looks like this. Whew. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you all about my mistakes, because that's the point of this channel. The point of this channel is for me to talk about how I take design risks and to be very vulnerable and say I made a mistake so you don't find yourself in this position. Because within these mistakes, I have learned 3 very important lessons that I would like to give to you so you don't make these mistakes in your home. So let's get started. So the first trend I brought in was wood tones. Now the bathroom was getting gray and white and cold, and I knew I needed to warm up the space. So I thought, bring in a wood vanity. I knew that I should have went custom. I knew that I needed to do white oak and that the stain was really important. But I got design fatigue. I was getting exhausted. It was the busy season. It was in December. I have 3 children and I needed to just get it done. And rather than pushing through and listening to my voice, I saw a vanity at a showroom. I knew that the stain was off, the wood species. It's beech. I don't know anyone that puts in a beech vanity, but I thought, it'll be fine. And if those words come out of your mouth or they're in your head, they should be bells and whistles to say, no, you're not gonna like it. The moment this vanity was put in the bathroom, I instantly knew that it was wrong and awful. So the lesson that I would impart onto you is that if you are design fatigue, just take a break. Just slow it all down, take a deep breath, and really push through. Really make sure, because the decisions that we're making are very permanent. Also, the wood tones. If you're doing anything with wood, that wood tone is so tricky and so hard. And in fact, maybe something I would hire professional help with trying to get that wood tone right. So learn from me, dig deep, push through, even if you have design fatigue. So what did I do? I mean, I could have sold it or tried to return it. I could have painted it, but no, I decided to emotionally beat myself up for a few days, vow I would never do another YouTube video. And then I had this brilliant idea of reducing the amount of wood in the space by doing a waterfall edge on the vanity. I thought when you walked in the room, if you saw stone, it would sort of catch your eye and you wouldn't look at my bad wood tones. So I thought this was a great idea, which leads me to mistake number 2. I then was taking a design risk. I was also taking a vanity that wasn't designed for waterfall edge and trying to put one on it after the fact versus having it be custom and having the vanity be able to accept this top. Now, I talked to the tradespeople, they came out, they measured it, they assured me it was going to be beautiful, but the moment they installed it, I was like, oh no, that's really wrong. See, what happened is that the stone is so thick that when it wrapped around, it was off balance. So my vanity went from bad to worse. And then I sat there and thought, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? And I ended up calling the manufacturer. It was a gray area. It's something that I ordered, but they should have made me aware that it was gonna be off balance. And this is the lesson in this mistake. When you're a homeowner like myself and you're trying to do something that's really advanced or custom or different, really ask a lot of questions. I should have went back to the stone yard and really talked it over with them and saw them face to face rather than just trust them that they could just do this and it's going to be beautiful. They should have alerted to me that this was going to have this very large edge on the side. When I did tell them I was unhappy, they offered to come out and actually just put a normal vanity top on. But my husband and my kids and I got used to this big hat vanity. And we decided to keep it. We kind of like love it in the space. And this is another tip. When you're in the process of doing a renovation, you will hyperfixate on little things along the process. But when the whole picture comes together, they all blend together to create a beautiful picture. So I do know once I get a mirror in, once everything kind of comes together, will it be wrong? Yes, but it'll blend in. And we just fell in love with our big vanity. So mistake number 3. I decided to try the trends of gold fixtures. And I know that that aged brass with all the patina is so in right now, but I just really thought, I'm gonna feel like it's kind of not good when it's patinaed. And I knew that about myself. So I decided to go with the in-between, and I did polished nickel, which has like a warmer tone to it. And the moment I saw it, I was like, ooh, it's like, is that supposed to be that color? And so it fell really flat. And the lesson I want you to learn, and is the most important lesson, is that trends will come and go, but knowing yourself and listening to your voice is the most important thing you can do. I'm gonna do the reveal soon, so subscribe if you wanna see that. See if this big vanity and these weird fixtures and this terrible wood, if in the end, it all looks good together. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.